Good day, everyone. I'm Kenzie Pantunian. My topic for my report is characteristic of personal management. So, characteristic of personal management introduction. Personal management deals with people at work. It focuses on acquiring, developing, motivating, and maintaining an efficient workforce. So, ito. Number one is people-centered. Focus on employees as the most valuable asset. Consider needs, abilities, and welfare. Example, provides a safety equipment and wellness program para po sa health sa mga trabante. Yan. Employee development, Bertora. Enhance workers' skills and performance through training. So, example na kanay mag-sindi kag staff to workshop to improve technical skills. Kuha sila sa ilang mga trabante, magkuhan sila mag lagi ito para mo-improve sila mo-improve lang technical skills. Number 3, continuous function. So, recruitment, training, motivation, and evaluation are ongoing processes. So, example, conducting annual performance appraisals. Ano to? So, sunod, integrating and harmonizing. So, promotes cooperation between management and employees. So, example, regular staff meetings to address concerns. So, ito. Sunod is administrative and advisory role. Assist management in policy making and guides employees. So, example, advising on workplace discipline and morale. Sunod, ensure legal compliance. Ensure adherence to labor laws and safety regulation. So, example, providing correct payroll, overtime pay, and contracts. Sunod is motivation and morale. Keeps employees motivated through rewards and benefits. So, example, mag offering incentives for high-performing employees. Katagilag incentives. Sunod na pa. Balancing goals. Aligns organization objectives with employee goals. Example is assigning tasks based on employee strength. Yeah. So, mao na to ang sa characteristic of personal management. Conclusion. Personnel management maintains an effective workforce by ensuring employee welfare, development, motivation, and compliance. Thank you.